Question number 161. Number of hydrogen linkages in an AT base pair and GC base pair of a DNA molecule are respectively. Select the option which fills the blanks correctly. And we know that hydrogen bonds, they link the purine and pyrimidines on two opposite strands. The guanine and cytosine, that is G and C, they are linked through 3 hydrogen bonds. Whereas on the other hand, this adenine and thymine, that is A and T, are linked to each other through 2 hydrogen bonds. Between this and this, correct answer is 2 and 3, that is option number 1. So the correct answer is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 162. Select the correct statement. The very first statement given is base pairs in DNA are stacked 0.34 nanometer apart, and this is a correct statement and is a correct answer to our question, because in DNA the base pairs are stacked 3.4 angstrom or 0.34 nanometers apart. The next option given is the diameter of a right-handed helical double-stranded bDNA molecule is 34 angstrom. And this is an incorrect statement because the diameter of this double-stranded bDNA molecule is 20 angstrom and not 34 angstrom. The next statement given is sugar phosphate and hydrogen bonds are both present in a single nucleotide such as AMP, and this is an incorrect statement because hydrogen bonds are absent in a single nucleotide. Next statement given is A and T of one strand compulsory base pairs with G and C respectively of other strand of DNA. And this is an incorrect statement because A of one strand will base pair with T of another strand, whereas G of one strand base pair with C of another strand respectively. So the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 163. A segment of DNA has 120 adenine and 120 cytosine bases. The total number of nucleotides in this segment of DNA are, as per Chargaff's rule, according to this rule, A would be equivalent to T and G would be equivalent to C. So the total number of adenine will be equivalent to total number of thymine and total number of guanine will be equivalent to total number of cytosine. So therefore, if A is equal to 120 and C is equal to 120, this is given in your question. So T would be equivalent to 120 and G would be equivalent to 120. So the total number of nucleotides in this segment of DNA would be A plus T plus G plus C equals to 480 nucleotides. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is 480 nucleotides. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 164. Match the items listed in column 1 with column 2 and mark the correct option. In column 1, the very first option given is glycosidic bond. And glycosidic bond formed by the loss of water is a dehydration reaction. So A in column 1 goes with 2 in column 2. The next option given in column 1 is tertiary structure. And we know that a protein attains its function by the formation of its active site at tertiary level of organization. So this option number 2 in column 1 goes with option number 3 in column 2. That is formation of catalytic site or active site. The next option given in column 1 is Biuret test, and Biuret test is used for the detection of proteins. So C in column 1 goes with 1 in column 2. And the last option given is single alphabet code P. And single alphabet code P stands for proline amino acid. So D in column 1 goes with 4 in column 2. So the correct answer for this question is option number 3, A with 2, B with 3, C with 1 and D with 4. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 165. Read the items listed in box below. And the items are collagen, rubisco, chitin, inulin, cellulose and glycogen. How many among them are structural homopolymers? So you need to find out that among the given items, how many are structural homopolymers. Now let's discuss the items first. The very first item given is collagen and next is rubisco. And both these, collagen as well as rubisco, are proteinaceous in nature. So both these items are heteropolymers. So they can be included in the items which are structural homopolymers. The next option given is chitin. And chitin is a structural homopolymer. So this is a structural homopolymer. Next option given is inulin. And inulin is a homopolymer of fructose. But it is not a structural homopolymer. It's a storage homopolymer. Inulin, which is a homopolymer of fructose. And similarly, glycogen, the last option given, glycogen is a homopolymer of glucose. And it is also a storage homopolysaccharide. So inulin and glycogen are not structural homopolymers. And the remaining option is cellulose. And cellulose is also a structural homopolymer made up of glucose. So the correct answer is chitin and cellulose. Chitin and cellulose are structural homopolymers. So how many of them are structural polymers? 2. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question.